Hello everybody, I'm your tundero for today's session. My name is John Lee Vergara and we're at 7 Star. Today, 7 Star is now offering you a brand new deal. Ta-da-da-da! Sunsilk is now offering you a buy 11 get 1 free deal in which they're basically giving you 6 pesos worth of Sunsilk for free. Now, if you're like me and like to take care of my personal hygiene, I very much will support this idea. Now today, we have another brand new deal that was totally not copied off of some other brands. Today, we're going to be tackling the promo deal for Crimsilk. Crimsilk is now offering you the 12 plus 1 deal, essentially saving you, basically giving you one more Crimsilk for free because, you know, who doesn't love free stuff? Free stuff is also worth for 7 pesos. In this case, 7 stars. Pamparada! Today, Norcubes is offering you a new and improved discount deal, essentially giving you a 13 pesos for free, essentially in this case in the form of Copico Blanca. If you want to buy like 12 pieces of Norcubes, you should just buy these instead because they have coffee, and who doesn't love coffee?